everyone, welcome to English Milestone. It's me, Ashir Wasif. Now we will learn Ically. Whenever Kelly sits at the end of a word, we pronounce it as Ically, such as physically, practically, basically, technically, automatically, artically, academically, specifically, politically, scientifically, diplomatically, biologically, logically.
Okay.
So stay with English Milestone. See you later.
Okay, many thanks for your nice presentation. Okay, stay with English.
Milestone.
Stay with English.
Milestone.